Hello guys, I am Della Fitriani Kurnia from IPSE 2019. I will be explaining about how to use multimeter. Multimeter is a small device that can be used to measure voltage, resistance, and electric current. So here there is the product of multimeter. I use digital multimeter and I bought it in online shop. The price is approximately of 65,000 rupiah. Here there is the rule to use multimeter. Then I will explain about the procedure to use multimeter. And here I will describe in picture animation. The first step is determine the amperage rating of the multimeter. Each model has a rating for handling a specific amount of current, and this rating should match the electrical device you wish to measure. For example, if you use a 10 ampere rate multimeter to use 200 amperes, the multimeter's axis will be damaged. Second step is select the appropriate multimeter function. Most multimeters have a function to measure several quantities. To measure electric current, you need to set the function to DC or AC according to electrical system under test. For example, if the power in the household is AC, while the power from the battery is DC. Then, set the rank of your multimeter. To ensure that the axis of your multimeter is not damaged, set the maximum amperage sensitivity above your estimate. You can lower it if the multimeter doesn't read anything when connected to your system. Then, connect the copper end to the terminal. Your multimeter comes with two wires, one with a metal tip and the other with a copper tip. Connect the two wires to the appropriate terminals to measure the electric current of the electrical system. The tool manual will show the correct terminals if the labels are not clearly visible. Then, turn on the power grid with a multimeter to measure the current. This step is very dangerous and can cause electric shock if you measure household AC current or other high voltage and high current power sources or even low current power sources. Then, turn off the circuit breaker and use the metal tip of the AC gauge to make sure the AC is off. And don't work in wet or even slightly damp places because water conducts electricity and can do you harm. Wear rubber gloves. So, enough for explanation. Thank you.